Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from HookedLoops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. Today I have a very unique wall hanging tutorial for you. I have used cardboard and plaster of Paris for this project. At first I have upcycled cardboard from old carton box and cut it out into a shape of fish, and on top of it I added plaster of Paris and painted on it. So let's begin the tutorial. I have already made two fishes. Let's make the third one. For this we will take the cardboard and we will draw the outline of the fishes and cut it out using scissors or knife. We will now make the plaster of Paris and glue mixture, so take required amount of plaster of Paris. You can buy this from local market or from Amazon, and in it we will be adding white glue. The quantity is not that much important as the glue acts as the binder. We will add little bit of water and mix this well using any stirrer. And the mixture should be paste-like. It should not be too thick, it should not be too thin. It should be in between thick and thin. And when your paste is ready, we will pour the plaster of Paris mixture on top of the cardboard and spread it using the palette knife in this manner. So spread the mixture on top of the cardboard uniformly like this. Add 3 to 4 layers of plaster of Paris on top of the surface and just spread it using the palette knife uniformly in this manner. When the top portion of your cardboard is ready, we will be adding the plaster of Paris along the edges of the fish in this manner. So take a little quantity of plaster of Paris and add it along the edges. This will make your work too hard and durable and give your work a better finishing. And when you are done with applying the plaster of Paris, let it dry for overnight. And then in order to make the surface uniform, we will rub a sandpaper on top of our work until the surface is smooth. We will also rub the sandpaper along the edges, and when we are satisfied with the smoothness, we will make two holes on top and at the bottom of the fish using the pen knife. I bought this from Amazon. You will get the link in the description box for buying this. When the two holes are ready, just add a layer of white colored acrylic paint on top of the work. This will act as a primer for the paints we will be adding later on, and then we will let it dry for some time, and after that we will make the outline of the Madhubani painting. And after that we will start painting on it using the acrylic paint. Madhubani art is really very beautiful. And the best part is it's so beautiful and colorful and bright that it's just perfect to warm up the cozy corner of your home. And you can also make this and give this to your dear ones and loved ones and friends, and it's just the perfect home warming gift, isn't it? And I used really cheap materials for making this beautiful craft. Plaster of Paris is really cheap, and I upcycled old cardboard from old boxes. So it's an upcycled project and it's really very beautiful and classy. You can make varieties of other designs like elephants, camels, birds. I will bring up more such tutorials later on. So in this manner we will quickly paint our fish. So I'll meet you at the end of the painting. So we are nearly done with painting our fish. At the end, we will do a black colored outline. The black colored outline will brighten up our work. And it's looking more beautiful with this black colored outline. Okay, so we will quickly do the outline and we will be done with our fish making. See how beautiful it's looking. We will paint the edges in this manner because your work will look more beautiful with a better finishing, isn't it? So we will quickly complete our painting and let our work to dry. You can also add a layer of varnish on top of it, but I left it as it is. A varnish will add a glossiness to your painting. You can also always add that at the end. Our fish is almost done, so all the 3 fishes of our wall hanging is ready. We will just attach them with strings. We will pass the strings through the holes we made in the fishes. At the top I added a loop for hanging the wall hanging on the wall. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. So my channel is filled with loads of crafts tutorial and you will just love it here. So please subscribe to my channel. I have a website at www.hookdnoobs.com. I like my crafts blogs in my website, so stay updated. Thank you and have a great day.